In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable notifications on the Waze app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Waze and select the hamburger icon on the top left. Go down and select Settings. And then underneath Driving Preferences, you want to go scroll down here and select where it says Notifications. So you're going to have to keep going down. Select Notifications underneath Notifications. And then you can check mark where it says receive all push notifications, or you can uncheck that and select certain notifications you want to receive for, like traffic delay notifications, major traffic events, unusual traffic events, that sort of stuff. You can uncheck or check that depending on your preference. This the push will be through the app. Email, as the name implies, would be an email notification, so you can uncheck all these options in here, and that's all you'd have to do. You can just uncheck both of them at the top to control all the options below. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.